This is a professional donor production facility with conveyor and transfer systems, as well as fully equipped industrial donor robots. Next, how many doner kebab sandwiches do you think this meat can make? This automatic bakery product packaging machine is amazing. Jufiba automatic continuous fryer with stuffing and coating machine. The reliability of the Tramper S360 line helps create peace of mind for manufacturers, ensuring that the final product always meets high-quality standards. Potato washing and peeling machine not only saves time and labor, but also ensures uniformity and hygiene in the final product. The machine's powerful and efficient performance helps increase productivity and reduce waste. With a modern technology platform and advanced production process, the Zazer tomato line in Fresnillo has contributed to providing high-quality tomatoes to the domestic and international markets. The R45 machine has high accuracy, ensuring that technical parameters are calibrated according to standards. This is especially important in industries such as medical, electronics, and manufacturing, where accuracy and reliability are extremely important. Nutexalox's combination of advanced technology and versatility allows it to work effectively on a wide variety of seed potatoes, from selection, processing, to final packaging. This helps enhance productivity and quickly respond to market demand. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. You are holding a magical roly-poly straw in your hand. With just one simple step, you can turn it into a dish full of flavor. Gently roll the crispy wafer into your mouth, letting the sweet taste spread on your tongue, awakening all senses. Close your eyes and imagine your favorite snack. What does it taste like? Does it sound delicious? Is it brightly colored or simple and rustic? Oh my, what a masterpiece. Looking at the process of creating that dish tonight, my heart is even more excited and hungry than ever. Maybe because I watched each step passionately, unable to take my eyes off. The sweet scent of cocoa mixed with the rich taste of milk blends together, penetrating every sense. The piece of chocolate melts to the mouth, bringing an explosion of flavor, awakening